Hi, Mike.
Hi, Mom.
How was school today?
It was okay.
Did you get your test scores?
Yes.
And are they good?
No, not very good.
Oh, tell me.
I am a little sad.
What are your scores?
My English score is a B.
B is a good score.
And my Spanish is a C.
I see.
And my math is a B.
Mike, listen to me.
Okay.
It's okay. Don't be sad. We love you.
But my scores?
Your scores are not everything. You are a good student. And you are a great son. We are proud of you.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, Mom.
You can try again next time.
Yes, I will study hard.
That's my boy. Hi, it's me. Hey there. What's going on? I'm totally stuck in traffic. That's super annoying. Many cars. We are not moving. That is not good. I am sorry, I will be late. It's okay, no problem. I left my house early. I understand. Traffic is a big problem. Thank you. It is not your fault. I will come when I can. Yes, of course. Please be safe. I will. Don't worry, we can wait for you. Are you sure? Yes, it is okay. Thank you. You are a good friend. Drive slow, be careful. All right, catch you soon. See you soon.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Can I have a takeaway box, please?
Sure. How many boxes do you need?
Just one, please.
No problem. I'll get it for you. Here's your box. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Thank you. No, that's all for now. Excuse me, could I have a fork or spoon, please?
Certainly. Would you like both?
Yes, both would be great. Thank you.
I'll bring them right away. Here you go.
Thank you so much. I've packed everything. Can I pay the bill now?
Of course. I'll bring the bill to your table. Here's your bill. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for dining with us.
Thank you, the food was delicious.
We're glad you enjoyed it. Have a great day.
You too, goodbye. Hi there.
Oh, hello.
Is this bus 16?
No, it's bus 12.
Oh no, where's bus 16?
It stops over there.
Thanks, do you take this bus often?
Yes, every morning.
Is it usually late?
Sometimes, but not today.
That's good. What time is it now?
It's 8:10.
Oh, my bus comes at 8:15.
Look, it's coming now.
Great, nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
Wait, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Perfect, I need to go there.
Me too.
Oh, really? Do you work there?
No, I visit my friend.
That's nice. Okay, I'll see you on the bus.
Sure, let's go.
Hey, Mark, do you know Lisa?
Hi, Sarah. Lisa. No, I don't think so. Who is she?
She's my friend from work. She's really nice.
Oh, cool. What does she look like?
She's tall with brown hair. She wears glasses.
Is she married?
No, she's single, but she has a boyfriend.
What does she do?
She's a nurse at the hospital.
That's interesting. Is she friendly?
Yes, very. She always helps people.
How old is she?
She's about 30, I think.
Does she like sports?
Not really. She loves reading and traveling.
Sounds like a great person. Can I meet her?
Sure, she's coming to my party next week.
Perfect. When is the party?
Saturday at 7 p.m. Can you come?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great. See you then.